Hey guys, Braden here at SuperATV, and today I'm going to show you how super easy it is to install SuperATV's doors and door bags on this Can-Am Maverick X3. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is remove the factory lower doors if you have them. Ours have already been removed. Once you remove them, you want to come over here. You want to remove this screw holding the door frame to the door skin. We're going to grab our door and fit it onto the factory door frame. Whenever you're doing this, you want to make sure that the lower door skin, the factory door skin, is lining up with the new aluminum half door. Loop it over top the bottom. Apply pressure on the front and the rear. That way it snaps right on there. Make sure you do this in the front as well. Just going to want to get your holes as lined up as you can. Then you want to make your adjustments so it looks like whenever we go to close the door here, it's pushing out on the bottom side of the door. So we're going to want to scoot it inward. So right there, the door's just barely riding on the fascia of the machine. Looks like we have a good gap all the way around. So then once you have your door all lined up, you're going to want to grab your hardware, start the bolt through the top, making sure that's going through the plastic. Go ahead and start your nut. Next, we're going to grab the rest of our hardware in our door bag. Take our straps and loosely tighten them, just enough to keep it from falling. And we're going to line our holes up with the holes in our lower door. Take our hardware, put it through the door bag, then the lower door. Do that for both holes. And we're going to grab our nuts, go ahead and get those started as well. You're going to want to go ahead and tighten these straps down once you get to this point. And we're going to see if we need to make any final adjustments with our doors. You're going to go ahead and open them up. Then, using the factory hardware, attach the door bag to the door frame. Now that we know that our door opens and closes good, we're going to repeat the steps for the opposite side. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's doors and door bags on this Can-Am Maverick X3. For more information on the doors, door bags, or any of SuperATV's great products, give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.